Hello, you're welcome back. All right, so this is a revision question on matrix and determinants. Okay, so now these questions actually look blurry. Hopefully, you can see them, but if you can, I will have to. I can still rewrite them. Okay, so now the very first question here, we are to simplify the determinant of Q, given that Q is a 2 by 2 matrix of 9 minus 2 minus 7 4. All right, so we are to evaluate the determinant. Now, evaluating the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix, okay? The 2 by 2 matrix, which of course is 9 minus 2 minus 7, 4, is very easy, all right? It's very simple. All you just need to do, you multiply diagonally and subtract. So the determinant of Q, of course, is going to be equal to, okay, so I'm going to multiply, that's going to be 9 times 4. That is the first diagonal, then minus the right diagonal minus the left diagonal, right? So minus into minus 2 times minus 7. Minus 2 times minus 7. All right. Okay, so 9 times 4, that should be 36. All right, and here, minus 2 times minus 7, that is plus 14. All right, so 36 minus 14. All right, so let's do that. 36 minus 14, 22. So the determinant of that matrix is 22. As simple as that. Okay, so here I have another question. Maybe I can still rewrite it so that it will look clear. All right, so here I have a matrix again, and this is a matrix, a 2 by 2 matrix. X plus 3, x plus 2, all right, x plus 1, then of course x minus 2. Okay, this is the matrix. So we are told that the determinant of this matrix is equal to 0. Okay, it's equal to minus 10 from what we have here. So we are told that the determinant of P is equal to minus 10. So we are to evaluate, okay, x. We have to find the value. We have to find the value of x. So what we are going to do is to evaluate the determinant. You know exactly how we do evaluate the determinant of 2 by 2 matrix. So we'll multiply diagonal. So let's start with the left diagonal first. Okay, yeah, that's the left diagonal. This is the left diagonal. Then minus that of the right diagonal. So let's do that. So this is going to be x plus 3 multiplied by x minus 2. Then minus the left diagonal. Bracket open, x plus 1, then x plus 2. All right, so according to what we are told, everything is equal to 10. The determinant is equal to minus 10. All right, so let's open this bracket. X times x is going to be x squared. X times minus 2, that's going to be minus 2x. 3 times x, that's plus 3x. 2 times minus 2, that's minus 6. Open this other bracket. This is going to be minus into bracket open, x times x is x squared. X times plus 2, that's plus 2x. 1 times x is x. Then, of course, 1 times 2 is 2. It's equal to minus 10. All right. So we need to collect like terms. So what I'm going to have is s squared minus x squared is 0. S squared is gone. Because minus, we definitely change all the plus inside the brackets, okay, into minus. So here I'm having minus 2x plus 3x. That is going to be 1x, okay. then minus 2x. That's going to be minus x. Okay, or better still, for it to be clear, let me open the brackets. So let me open the brackets. So this right here, this is plus x minus 6. Opening the bracket, I'm going to have minus x squared. Of course, this 2x plus x, that's 3x, minus 3x. Okay, then minus 2 is equal to minus 10. Okay, so collecting items now. S squared minus s squared is 0. Then, of course, x minus 3x. Okay, that's going to give me minus 2x. All right, so here I'm having equal to minus 6 minus 2, that's minus 8. So what I'm having is minus 10, minus 8 goes over, that's going to be plus 8. So of course, I'm having minus 2x, minus 10 plus 8, that's going to be minus 2. Minus cancels minus, all right? So that I will now have that x is equal to 2 all over 2, which of course is 1. So x is equal to 1. All right, so here we go. So this is another question 2. If the determinant, of course, once you see this, once you see, right, this, that's a determinant. That's the symbol of a determinant. But this is, this right here is a symbol of matrix. Okay, so if the determinant x327 is equal to 15, all right, find the value of x. So that's simple. So the determinant of x327 is equal to 15. So we have to find the value of x. You know what we do? 7 times x, that's going to be 7x. 2 times 3, that's going to be minus 6, equal to 15. So 7x is going to be equal to 15 plus 6, which of course is 21. So x is going to be equal to 21 all over 7, which is 3. As simple as that. All right, so now this one is a kind of tough because we are looking at the determinant of 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, so everything that we've actually done so far is 2 by 2 matrix, which is simple. The determinant of 2 by 2 matrix is just very simple. You multiply diagonally and you subtract. But what if the situation is what we have here, a 3 by 3 matrix? How do we evaluate it? So what I'm going to do, okay, and what you're expected to do for a 3 by 3 matrix is to split that 3 by 3 matrix into 3 2 by 2 matrix, using the element of the first row as the scalar product, okay, or as the scalar factor. Let me tell you what I mean. All right, solution. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the first element 2. So I'm going to multiply it by its characteristic, all right, or its minor. The minor of this element 2, all right, is going to be the 2 by 2 matrix, all right, that is gotten after you must have eliminated the column of 2 and the row of 2. What do I mean by that? Okay, let me tell you what I mean. This is 2. The row of 2 is what I have here, all right, and of course the column of 2 is what I have. You've seen that. So what matrix do I have left? The matrix I have left is just a 6 3 9 1. Okay, so that is the minor of 2. The minor of 2 is 6 3 9 1. Then of course minus, the middle term is always minus. Okay, after plus, after the first term, the middle term for the second minor. Okay, and the second minor, the element is 0. Okay, 0 multiplied by the 0 multiplied by the minor of 0. So you know exactly how we can actually get the minor of 0, okay? So I will eliminate the column of 0, also eliminate the row. So the matrix I have left is 4, 3, 8, 1. Okay, so let's do that. So that's 4, 3, 8, 1. Then after minus, remember it's always plus, minus, plus. Always take note of that. For 3 by 3 determinant, plus, minus, plus. Okay, so the last element there is 5. So we have to multiply by the minor. You know exactly how we get the minor. We cross the column, we cross the row. So what we have left is 4, 6, 4, 6, 8, 9. Four, 6, 8, 9. Okay. So as simple as that. So what I'm gonna have here is 2 into, you know how we'll simplify this determinant. 6 times 1, that's 6. Then minus 3 times 9, which of course is 27. Okay, so this is gonna be 0. I don't need to even do that. 0 multiplied by this determinant is still 0. So that's gonna be minus 0. Then plus 5 bracket open. 9 times 4 is 36. Okay, then 8 times 8 times 6 is 48. All right, so let's do this. Of course, 6 minus 27, that is 21. Okay, minus 21. Minus 21 multiplied by 2, that's going to be minus 42. Then, of course, plus 36 minus 48. That's minus 12. Okay, times 5, that's going to give me minus 60. Okay, so this is going to be minus 42 minus 60. So that should give minus 102. All right. Okay, so that is it for now. We are going to look at more questions in the next video. All right, so see you in the next video. Thank you very much.